Hi, I'm Lindsey Campbell. I am the artist and instructor behind Hello Hydrangea, and I love to help other makers learn all about the beautiful craft of weaving. I am very excited to share a craft that doesn't use any yarn. We will be making some straw stars using natural wheat stalks and cotton thread. These dainty celestial projects are often used in Germany, Sweden, and other Scandinavian countries. They often resemble stars or snowflakes to decorate around the holidays, but I think they look beautiful all year round.